Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Ensure the Maestro Edge battery sits at 50% or higher and ground yourself with an ESD strap. Once done, remove the back cover using a Torx T5 and a spudger. Take photos of each screw and connector so you know exact reassembly. You do this because mixed screws or inverted connectors cause sensor misalignment faults. Make sure to keep a clean workspace and place fasteners in numbered compartments. This saves time and prevents accidental damage as you continue. You now diagnose the key sensor. Visually inspect the ribbon cable and connector for kinks, debris, or corrosion, and reseat it with gentle, firm pressure. You do this because micro misalignments break contact. Next, power up briefly and measure the sensor VCC, typically about 3 volts, so you can tell if the board supplies correct power. Once you have voltage, confirm the device firmware and driver versions. Outdated or mismatched firmware often causes false failures, so update if necessary. You finish by reassembling in reverse. Seat the sensor, align the ribbon, and tighten screws evenly to avoid flexing the PCB. Once assembled, run the built-in calibration routine and test every key. You do this to confirm both hardware and software respond correctly. If problems persist, swap in a known good sensor or carefully reflow the connector pins. This often restores intermittent contacts. One troubleshooting tip: if noise shows on the sensor line, add a small ferrite bead or decoupling cap to stabilize readings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.